Hello, you're about to witness here something of a shall we say, an origin story. That's right. Call this the equation of Stencila. And why is that? To show you guys how myself became this avatar you see before you, cat avatar right here. And also, what was my motive in being Stencila? To prove he's not a failure or idiot in his work or lifestyle. That's right. I'm doing it for the sake of proving to people ain't no waste of time, waste of space. Still yet, I'm still trying to prove that to people. Anyway, on with the thing. And where did the name come from? I'm mixing two entities. Stencil, because Banks had a technique, which is stencil graffiti. I want to try to do that much as I can. And most of it I was wanting is charisma. And also Godzilla. As a kid, I always like that name. Godzilla, Godzilla. It's like a nursery rhyme that probably says something ring to it. Or shall I say, it has a kind of ring to it. Like Godzilla, Godzilla, Gazella sort of thing. I don't know. You know the ways. So then name chanting phrase. So I put the two concepts together and created the word Stencila. But wait, it's already been taken. And if I recall, it was a stencil artist from Mexico who did that. So then, of course, I had to make a substitute or an alternative. And it says inspiration alternative name, as you can see right here. Forgive me for the I, I'm so sorry, I'm very bad at spelling mistakes. I used to have a film called Dogtown and Zed Boys, with about these surfers from Venice Beach, and it was kind of surf. When the surfs weren't good, they moved their surfing to skateboarding, and they became the Surfer Skateboard Team, or short term Zed Boys. So I used a Z and changed the S into a Z, subtitle for the S, as I said right there, and I kicked one L out and made Stencil, as you can see right here. One L, even numbers, so it's 8 rather than 9, so 8 numbers, even number, not odd. And of course, the logo idea. Originally, the logo idea was to be Z like Stencil, as you can see right here, Z-T-E-N, and Zilla for Z-I-L-A, see, Z. But somehow I thought it looked boring, looked kind of weird, and people think it's like a snore sound sort of thing, yeah, so the Z was always backward. People always mistake that for an S, but I don't blame them because obviously, like I said, just to tell you right, that is a backwards Z. So backwards Z. Other words, a mirror. It's like, you know, put a mirror that will be backwards. So yeah. And of course, before that was the first logo. Back in my early days, 2005, 2008, that was the early one. But since I didn't like the look of it, I decided to give it a sort of a face, like a hyphen. So Sten, my face, Stiller. That's it. But people keep calling it Zoz, so that's your business. But I don't mind it. It does abbreviate my name, Stenzila to Zoz. So yeah, it like abbreviates my name. But to let you know, that's a backwards Z. No, that's a forward Z. That's a backwards Z, like a mirroring. So yeah, it's like symmetrical. Yeah, and also looks symmetrical. That's the big thing. Yeah, and also like a hyphen for the 4 letters. So yeah, and also yep. And the inspiration for doing the symmetrical thing was also from something like Eminem, 9 Inch Nails, and maybe the Golden Arch from McDonald's. Even though it's a terrible drawing of Golden Arches, but you get the idea. Put them in between it, you sort of see like, you know, a symmetrical thing. Same with 9 Inch Nails, same with Eminem. So M in the M. If you turn it that way, if I recall, it becomes like an M shape. If you know what I'm saying. So yeah, that's inspiration. And also for a personal fact, you can spell my real name, but you have to use a mirror for it. I won't show you that technique yet, but I'll show you a bit of it. So it'll be something like that. So that's the M, the I, you know the rest. So I'll show you that. It's like a zodiac coding, but that's it. So that's it, really. The equation of how I became Stencila. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoy. And please don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram or look out for my Facebook stuff or my personal website, which is stencilasworld.weebly.co.uk or .com, call it you will. And of course, stuff on YouTube. And don't forget to write my name in search engines. And hope you enjoy this equation presentation I gave you. Hope I didn't speak too fast, and I hope I spoke too well. And most of all, enjoy. Thank you very much. Goodbye. You guys rock.